up, guys? Welcome back to CRANK DAT BAIT Fishing. It's a beautiful morning. Today we're gonna do some morning fishing. It's been a while since I've gone out this early. I say this early, but it's like 7 already because we woke up kind of late. But if you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. If you could like this video, it would help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. But with that being said, let's go after them biggins. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're at our first spot. Let's get it. I'll be throwing this swim bait with a small blade on there. Let's see how it goes. First cast. Oh, there's a fish. First fish of the day, let's go. And it's a long one. It is a long one, guys. Safety first, guys, remember? Gotta get this dude out, the clamper. I'm gonna retie too. Ooh, this guy wanted. Dang, this guy messed it up. Well, that's the first fish of the day. Got one. All right, we're hooked up here. Is this a bass?
No, it's a long one.
It's another long one. What are you using?
Just a swim bait.
Swim bait. All right.
Got a lot of weeds on it too.
I will keep it.
Oh no!
Oh,
it's okay.
He broke you off.
Good thing I have a lot of them. And we're back.
You know what? Might as well throw a frog for the heck of it. Since there's some pads here. You already know I got that oversized frog on me. Let's see if anything's over there. Oh yeah, it's grassy over here. That's for sure. Someone just try to attack it. Like small though. Very, very small. What the heck?
Bird's nest is terrible though.
that sucked. Lost like all my line pretty much, but we fished this whole area. We didn't catch anything. Caught like 2 pikes. That's about it. We're gonna go find a new spot now. Hopefully the day gets better. See you over there. Alright guys, second spot. Hopefully it's better over here. There's a bite. Bite it again. There, you got it. Decent size, 2-pounder, I think. Oh yeah, 2-pounder all day. There you go. There it is, guys. First bass of the day, decent one. About a 2-pounder. Let's get it. Get the release. Peace. Let's go. All right. Now we're getting started. I'm missing my entry. There we go. Prime spot. There's a giant under there. Yes, there is! Let's go, dude! Yes, sir! It's a biggin, bro! It's a biggin. Let's go. I was like, dude, that shady spot looks pretty good. 3 something. Got a biggin. We got a biggin. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 312. Thanks, buddy. Let's go. On the Mega Frog. Let's go. There she goes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He got it, he got it. Nice. No. Oh, you lost him, bro. You gotta set the hook harder, man. Set the hook way harder. Did you try throwing it under there again? Bro, what if there's another one? Right here, maybe. Good thing I tried my GoPro too. I was like, I have a feeling I'm gonna get a bite. All right, guys. So I just caught like that 3-pounder off a dock, so I guess we're gonna go hit up docks now. See you at the docks. Let's go. Let's get them biggins. Oh, he missed it, yo.
No. Got him? Did you get him? You got him? Oh my god.
Oh, I do have it.
Oh, frick. Is it big? I was like, what is busting over there? Oh, it's a big old pike. That's what was. Oh! Get him in!
Dude.
There we go.
That's nasty, bro.
I'm like, man, I saw something pulling, but I wasn't sure.
So that's why it was busting over there. Just a pike. Oh gosh, dude, chill. Oh yeah, we're not gonna be able to get this, man. It's way too bright out right now.
Oh, yeah. Can you get a picture on my phone?
Oh, great.
Pike juice everywhere. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, frick. What's up, guys? If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Today was a pretty tough day. We did catch a few pike, a few bass. One really nice bass. I think that bass really what made the day for me, I would say. Chris did catch a really nice pike too. It's probably like one of the biggest ones that we've caught so far, so that was cool. But make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.